Hi guys, you already know it's me, Tessie. This is the last step of the how to build your skincare routine and how to take care of your skin to have that best skin that you desire. You see people having, I can go out with makeup. My face is super clean. I don't if you haven't seen the last skincare I uploaded, you need to check it out. That is my real face, no filter, nothing, and that is night. And I don't even have much light on that particular skincare routine video. If you want to have that best skin, that glowing skin, this is something that my series is something that you should consider. I'm giving you guys just my knowledge, what I've learned and what I've practiced. Okay, so in this one we're going to be talking about weekly skincare routine. Like I said, morning care routine is daily skincare routine is not the same as weekly skincare routine. This is something that lots of people don't talk about. They don't break it down. A lot of skincare experts, they don't break this thing down because a lot of people think that daily skincare routine is the same as weekly skincare routine. Weekly skincare routine contains different things than daily skincare routine. Like daily skincare routine, you don't scrub your face daily. Because if you try scrubbing your face daily, you destroy your skin barrier, you destroy your skin. So in this video, I'm going to remember on the first one, I give you guys everything you need for your skincare routine to start up your skincare kit. I listed all of them out. I mentioned there are about 6 or 7. I mentioned if you haven't seen the first one, go to check it out. So in this weekly skincare routine, it's still the same, almost the same thing, but different ways. So all you need, take 2 days. During summer, I do scrub, depend because I have a thin layer skin. Depends on your skin type, okay, and depends on what your skin needs. So weekly skincare, you need to remove a day either twice, 2 times, or 3 times. Basically, personally, I advise people twice a week to do this because me, I do this twice a week, especially during winter, during autumn and winter and spring. But during summer, I do this once. So I advise people when you pick 2 days in a week, 2 days, and they shouldn't be close. If you want Mondays, you can pick on Monday and you pick on Thursday. If you want Saturday, like me, I usually do mine on Sunday because I wear makeups a lot on Sunday to go out. Then in the night on Sunday night, I do mine. Then I don't do Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday is same day. I repeat the same thing on Wednesday. So what am I talking about? You need those 2 days. You need your cleanser. You cleanse your face. After cleansing your face with your cleanser, you go in with your toner. After your toner is dry up, you need to go in with your face scrub. Yes. If you notice, I didn't talk about face scrub in morning and night skincare routine. Go in this is why I call this weekly skincare routine. After toner, go in with your scrub. Scrub your face. Depends on your skin type. If you have inflamed acne, please avoid mechanical scrub. Please avoid that because it's going to inflame your acne more. But exfoliant, chemical exfoliant. But if you can avoid anything that has to do with exfoliant, if your acne is inflamed, good for you because acne shouldn't be forced. Acne shouldn't be treated with anything harsh. Acne should be treated with something that is refreshing. Okay. The only thing that you can put on acne with a very caution way is massage because massage helps to circulate the blood and it helps with skin turnover. It helps a lot with acne. But anything exfoliate, I don't advise people that has inflamed acne to do exfoliate. I advise people that has black hair to do exfoliate more than people that has acne. So you need your scrub. Get your scrub. After toner, scrub your face. Like I said, twice a week. That is what I normally consider. This is the thing I give to my clients. Scrub your face. Make sure you scrub your face very well. Make sure you buy the scrub that is adapted to your skin type as well. There is a lot of scrub in the market. Make sure you buy the one. If you don't know the one that is for your skin type, buy the one for all skin type. So after scrubbing your face, you wash it, you clean, you pat your face dry. There is another mask. They call it leave-on mask. Either you leave it on or you can wash it. You need to leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes or you massage it into your face and go to bed and wash it the following day. Personally, I love to wash them off. I love to immediately after scrubbing my face, I love to put on the mask, allow them to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then I will rinse them up, then go in with my serum. And remember that the day you do this skincare routine, if your retinol is part of your skincare routine, or your skincare product, please do not apply retinol or tretinoin the day you do this scrub method, please, the weekly skincare routine that you have to scrub your face, avoid anything that is active ingredient, avoid peptide, avoid retinol, because they are very harsh. They are already exfoliators. So don't apply them the same day that you do scrub, or like the same day that you're doing your weekly skincare routine. Get a face moisturizer or vitamin C. Vitamin C can go very well. Okay, the day you do, get serum that is adapted on your skin when you do facial scrub. It's like doing facial at home by yourself. So after applying the mask, apply the serum, massage the serum, and then you go in with your night care. If you're the type that use eye cream, you can go in with an eye cream as well. If you're the type that don't use eye cream, just like me, I don't really need eye cream, so I don't use eye cream. Go in with your night cream after serum. Apply your night cream, do some massage your face a little bit, and put on your lip balm. If you are the type that also love applying oil at night, apply your oil and your skincare is done. And mind you, another thing that is not actually part of this weekly skincare routine that I think I thought about sharing with you guys is, when you apply any product on your face and it burns your face, you apply it the first time, it burn your face. You apply it the second time, it burn your face. You apply it the third time, it keep burning your face. Please avoid that. Remove that. Throw away that skincare. The skincare you need is something that is going to be moisturizing, hydrating, because that shows that your skincare barrier is damaged. So anything that burn your face, you need to stop using that and look for moisturizing face serum, face cream that will build up your skin barrier, because that often happens because our skin barrier is damaged. So avoid any skincare that burns your face, and if you notice that, it means that your skin barrier is damaged and you really need to get back in rebuilding your skin barrier. Okay, so I hope you like these videos I make. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.